Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about aviation, technology, and military hardware, today's video is going to be a real treat. We're diving into one of the most iconic and battle-proven aircraft in the world, the 2025 McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. It's a jet that's been through decades of service, but don't let its age fool you. With its latest upgrades, the F-15 is still a dominant force in the skies. From its exterior design to its raw performance and state-of-the-art systems, this is an aircraft that continues to impress, and we're about to break down everything you need to know. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 version of the F-15 still carries that unmistakable and intimidating profile. It's sleek, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. The twin-engine configuration remains, but the airframe has been refined for modern warfare. Enhanced aerodynamics and stealth-conscious design features like conformal fuel tanks and radar-absorbent materials give the aircraft a much-needed edge in the current combat environment. The sharp edges, wide wingspan, and signature twin vertical stabilizers provide both superior lift and exceptional maneuverability. Even the air intakes have been optimized for better airflow at high speeds. This isn't just a fighter, it's a flying statement of power. Moving to the cockpit, the interior has been completely modernized. While space is tight as expected, in a fighter jet, it's packed with technology. The traditional analog dials have been replaced with a wide-area touchscreen display that provides real-time data, radar feeds, and weapon systems control. Voice command functionality and a new helmet-mounted display make it easier for the pilot to stay locked onto targets without losing focus. It's a clean, efficient, and high-tech environment built for maximum combat effectiveness with minimum distraction. Now let's talk about what really sets the F-15 apart: performance. This jet is an absolute powerhouse. With twin Pratt & Whitney F-100 PW229 engines under the hood, the F-15 can produce over 29,000 pounds of thrust per engine. That's enough to propel the jet to speeds of Mach 2.5, more than twice the speed of sound. The climb rate is over 50,000 feet per minute, allowing it to gain altitude faster than nearly anything else in the sky. With a combat range of over 2,500 miles using external fuel tanks, the Eagle can travel long distances without needing frequent refueling. The advanced radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities allow it to detect, jam, and engage targets from beyond visual range. Whether it's air superiority, ground attack, or interception, the F-15 delivers across the board. Safety has also seen major improvements in the 2025 model. The aircraft includes a fully digital fly-by-wire control system, which improves stability and reduces pilot workload. There's also an automatic ground collision avoidance system, or GCAS, which has already proven its life-saving value in multiple real-world scenarios. Add to that an advanced electronic warfare suite, infrared countermeasures, and reinforced pilot armor, and you've got a jet that protects its operator just as fiercely as it attacks the enemy. What makes the F-15 truly unique is its blend of proven design and modern innovation. Unlike stealth-only jets, the F-15 is not bound by the limitations of reduced payloads or specialized missions. It can carry more than 20 air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons simultaneously, including hypersonic missiles, smart bombs, and long-range cruise missiles. It's also easier to maintain and operate compared to more complex fifth-generation fighters, making it a favorite for air forces looking for reliability, flexibility, and raw combat strength. It's battle-proven and future-ready all at once. As for the price, the 2025 McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, especially the EX variant, doesn't come cheap. Each unit costs around $90 million, depending on the configuration. However, compared to fifth-gen fighters like the F-35, the F-15 offers a more affordable solution with impressive multi-role capabilities. You get speed, power, and modern tech, all at a slightly more accessible price point for militaries around the world. To wrap it all up, the 2025 F-15 Eagle is a testament to how good design and constant innovation can keep an aircraft relevant for nearly half a century. It's not just surviving, it's thriving in the most advanced combat scenarios of today. Let us know what you think. Would you pick the F-15 over the newer stealth jets? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into today's most impressive machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.